This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Market Wrap. This is the Market Wrap on a Friday. I'm Jack Lott on the James Dix Financial Network. Oil prices rebounded with a number of traders believing that sharp declines based on an announced fuel price hike in China the day before was just not merited. Analysts said that the steep decline in oil prices may present a buying opportunity for investors who still believe oil prices will keep climbing. Gathering of oil producers and consumers this weekend may be more about Saudi Arabia's worry than it is being blamed for the dramatic rise in oil prices, and less about finding a solution to the problem. With few able to agree on how to tackle the numerous factors behind current oil prices, the meeting in the Saudi port city of Jeddah may turn to finger-pointing instead. Consumer nations will urge more output from Saudi Arabia and other Gulf oil producers, while producers will call on gas-guzzling countries and speculators to ease off and do their part. European Union agreed to lift its diplomatic sanctions against Cuba, but imposed tough conditions on the communist island to maintain sanction-free relations. The U.S., which has maintained a decades-long trade embargo against Cuba, criticized the move, saying that there were no significant signs that the communist island was easing a dictatorship. And Corning said that strong U.S. liquid crystal display TV sales reported through the first 5 months of the year reinforced the company's belief that the 2008 global LCD glass market will grow at the upper end of its original 25 to 30% year-over-year estimate. Economic reports coming out next week include a lot of home reports, including the Case-Shiller home prices, consumer confidence, durable goods, new and existing home sales, gross domestic product, personal income and spending, consumer sentiment, as well as the next FOMC meeting. In earnings news, Winnebago Industries earned $3 million, or 10 cents a share. Analysts expected earnings of 3 cents a share. Western Union forecast earnings at the higher side of its operating earnings estimate of $1.25 to $1.29. Analysts were expecting $1.28. And Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac had their earnings estimates cut by Lehman Brothers, who said it expects the housing market to continue to deteriorate at an accelerated pace. Next week's earnings include Walgreens, Berkshire Hathaway, 3Com, Darden Restaurants, Kroger, Bed Bath & Beyond, General Mills, CKE Restaurants, Nike, Oracle, Research in Motion, and Palm, as well as KB Homes, just to name a few. Stocks in the news today. Huntington Bank shares said second quarter provision for credit losses is expected to exceed net charge-offs by about $55 to $65 million. Pacific Premier Bank Corp said it's going to take a $2.1 million or 34-cent a share write-off. And Continental Airlines and United Airlines are grounding plans to merge in favor of a marketing alliance. And that is the Market Wrap on a Friday. Jack Lott on the James Dix Financial Network.